All right, here's a little tool review of the Cobalt. 69 bucks at home at Lowe's right now. So it comes with a couple different blades and attachments. These are the main ones here. So that one, it says wood slash metal. That one's just wood. And when I compare them, the wood slash metal one, like the blades are a little bit more angled, but besides that, I can't quite make a difference. Oh, but you can kind of see maybe that these raise up a little as they go. Then we got a circular one that's made for wood and metal, and then we got this attachment for sanders. I don't know what grit that is, but it looks kind of pretty rough. But anyways, so that's that. And then we'll get into the two-hand stuff. All right, so to put them in there, turn that this way. That thing pops up. We're going to do the wood slash metal one. They're in like that. And then turn that, give that a turn to lock it in the counterclockwise direction and close it like that. So that's nice and stable in there. And then we're going to give it some tests on this wood here. So we'll plug her in. Okay, good. It wasn't in the on position. There's different speeds back here at the back. It's 1 through 6. I'm just going to leave it on 1 right now. And so I've got on this board, I've got a little nail here. And then I've got a little screw over here. So let's see what it does. And yeah, so you can go kind of flush along like that. All right. You know what? Safety first, right? Okay, so I got about halfway through that one. I'm gonna not go the rest of the way just because I don't want it flying off somewhere right now. But I did pretty good there. Now let's see what it does for the wood here. It should just be able to come in just like that. Here's a little angle for you. See what happens here. Probably shouldn't stop it midway through, but oops. Anyways, I assume that goes through. Can you see any light coming through there? Maybe if I take the duct tape off, you can see some light or something. We'll see. Anyways, yeah, very small slit there. So you could, make a little rectangle if you wanted to. All right, I'm going to switch the blades out and then show you the other one. Switch that on here. Put this one. Put it into the lock position. Of course, you got to do that a couple times. Some old baseboard. And see what it does here. I'm going to turn the speed up a little bit. Maybe to 4. 4. Nice. That's pretty cool. Definitely have a cut there. So obviously all kinds of cool things. And then through drywall, I'm sure it would be a lot easier then. I think that's about it.